Are you looking for the best government stocks in India to invest in? Look no further. We have compiled a list of the top government stocks that are sure to give you great returns. First up, we have Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, ONGC, a leader in the energy and oil sector. Next is NTPC LT, another energy powerhouse. Power Grid Corporation of India Ltd. PGCIL is also a strong contender in the energy sector. For those interested in mining, Coal India Ltd is a top choice. Indian Oil Corporation, IOC, is another major player in the energy and oil industry. If defense and aerospace are your areas of interest, Hindustan Aeronautics Ltd, HAL, and Bharat Electronics Ltd are excellent options. For those looking for opportunities in the financial services sector, Indian Railway Finance Corporation Ltd, or FC, is a reliable choice. Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation, IRCTC, is a government stock that is related to railways and tourism, making it a unique investment opportunity. Finally, Power Finance Corporation Ltd, PFC, is a government stock that operates in the energy sector. Investing in these government stocks can bring you significant benefits in a short span of time. However, we advise you to do your own research and consult
with a financial advisor
before making any investment decisions. Start your investment journey today and reap the rewards of these top government stocks in India.